Today I'm making a rich, creamy Caesar dressing, packed with flavor but perfectly balanced. Start with 2 full ounces of anchovies and 3 cloves of garlic. Mash them together into a smooth paste. This is where all that deep, savory flavor comes from. Add that to a bowl. Then in goes 3/4 of a cup or 180 milliliters of plain whole milk yogurt for a creamy, mellow base. And to that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup or 180 milliliters of mayonnaise for richness and smooth texture. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. This brings everything together. Whisk it all together until smooth and fully combined. Now I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This is going to heighten everything up and balance the saltiness. Slowly add in 1 cup or 80 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Whisking it as you go, it stays nice and creamy. I'm going to give it a taste and adjust if needed. Remember, the anchovies already have plenty of salt. I'm going to finish this up with a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. And there you have it. Creamy, tangy, and full of that classic Caesar flavor. Perfect for salads, dipping, or anything that needs a serious flavor boost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.